So good day guys, welcome back to the channel. So to those of you that are yet to subscribe, do well to click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments, we'd love to watch out for it. Also, if you are yet to follow us on Telegram guys, do well to click on the Telegram, do well to go to the comment section, follow us on Telegram. You will find the link to our Telegram channel in the comment section. So let's take a look at what we'll be expecting on GBPJPY. So we clearly can see that this is a ranging market move here. This is the resistance level. Market comes to this resistance level, and right now we are currently at this resistance level. Market is likely to fall. Personally, I feel that market will fall. We all need a confirmation. Because it is at this resistance level does not mean you should go ahead and take your sell, because liquidity is likely to play out here. Like, probably it will start selling little by little, little by little. A lot of traders will start stacking in on the sale. Guess what will happen? Markets will just push up, take out a lot of people's stop loss before it eventually drop. So I'll be expecting a drop, but that confirmation that it wants to start dropping needs to play out, by the way. So expect it, by the way. And if it does not do that, if it market does not do that and it pushes up, like really it moves up, gave us a good movement to the upside. It gave us a good movement to the upside, and slowly, slowly we start getting that pullback little by little. Then we would expect that pullback to come to test this resistance level. Once it comes to test this resistance level, then you can now hop in on the buy. That means markets will continue to push up. So is it that market sell from this resistance level, or it breaks this resistance level and continue the movement to the upside? All we just need is the confirmation. So make sure you do well to follow us on Telegram so we can give you the confirmation. You can also go ahead to join our mentorship program, which will be going on this week. You will find the link to the mentorship in the comment section.